Hello there. I thought I would make a quick little video to show you how to make ringtones for your iPhone for free. Apple normally charge you some ridiculous fee to convert music you already own into a ringtone, but I'm going to show you how to do it for nothing, and you won't need to know anything about complicated audio editing programs or any gubbins like that. It's all very easy. All you need is a copy of iTunes, which I have here, and some music in there. So here I am in my music library, and this is kind of embarrassing because you're getting to see my music library, which is filled with some very eclectic things, and Britney Spears.
Leave Britney alone! Please!
Yes. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to pick a track that we want to convert to a ringtone. So let's have a look through here. Oh, there we go. Battlestar Galactica. That is very old school. Yeah, who would not want a Battlestar Galactica theme as their ringtone? I think it will really set you apart from the crowd. And so that's what I'm going to use. Now, let's have a look here. Battlestar Galactica theme. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick how much I want of it. Ringtones, I think, usually are about 30 seconds or less. Generally speaking, you're probably going to start at the beginning of a track, but I'm just going to listen through to this because I might not. So I'm just going to make a note, as I say, of the start and end point, which I'll be able to see up here. Take a look at the time. Okay, so here we go. Ah, yes. Excellent. This will truly make an epic ringtone, and no one will laugh at me at all for having this. Oh, right, okay. Right, I think I'll start it there when the music gets going. That was about 12 seconds. Da, 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 da. Okay, so that section ended about 22 seconds. Okay, so let's pause that. Okay. So now I know what I want to do. First thing I'm actually going to do is go up into iTunes preferences and just check the settings here are correct. You want to be on the first tab and you want to click on import settings here, and we want to be on AAC encoder, and you might be set on iTunes Plus. I think it's the default now, but I'm going to just put it to 128 kilobit. Because it's just going to be playing out the iPhone speaker, and it's not going to sound terribly fantastic if I put it any higher. So I'll say OK to that. You must remember, if you have it on something a bit more exotic, like Apple lossless or something like that, you must remember to change it back after you've made your ringtone, else you'll be ripping CDs and you'll be a bit disappointed. So I've done that. Now, first thing is to right click on the track and go to Get Info, which brings up, bizarrely, the Get Info window. Who could have guessed that? Okay, and I'm going to go to Options, and I'm going to set a start time and a stop time. And I'm going to cough right now. My apologies. I'm back. Okay, so I'm going to set it, I think it was 12 seconds was where I wanted to start it, and I want to end it, so I'm going to have to do 0 colon, what was it, 22 seconds, so it was a 10-second clip that fitted in quite nicely. And I'm going to say OK. So basically what this means, you'll see the time here of the actual track length hasn't changed at all, but if I play it, it will only ever play that 10-second segment, so that's going to be fine. Now I right click on it again, and I say create AAC version, and quick as a flash, there we are, another one's popped in. It's got the same metadata and everything like that, but it's only 10 seconds long. Now before we do anything else, I'm going to untick on the original track, and we go back to Get Info, untick those, because else I'm going to forget to do it, and every time I listen to it on my iPhone or iPod or whatever, it's going to play that 10-second segment, so that's fixed. Okay, now I'm going to cough again. I apologise. I don't know why this keeps happening. Some sort of biological reflex to something or other. It might be all the dust I ate earlier on, but let's not worry too much about that. Okay, so what I need to do is drag my lovely new 10-second clip onto the desktop, so out of iTunes. So I'm just going to move iTunes out of the way, and let me grab that. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to pop it up here. There we go. Right, now this part's very important. Do not miss out this part, else the whole rest of this won't work. I pick my 10-second track and I right click on it and I go to delete. Do I want to remove it? Yes, I want to remove it, and I want to move it to the trash because I'm not going to ever use it again. That's fine. Now if you forget to do this, it won't import the ringtone, so because it'll think it's still there, or it's there already. Okay, now here we have this on our desktop, and you'll notice it has the file extension .m4a, which is MPEG audio. This is what we've got to change. Now yours might not be set up like this. Mine system's set up to show me the file extensions. You might not see them, so I'll show you the way to change the file extension that works however you have that set up. So we right click on it, we go to get info, and that gives us the information about the file. Okay, and then we're going to change this bit here, name and extension, and I'm just going to change the M4A at the end to M4R for ringtone. I'm going to hit return, and it's going to give me this window. Are you sure you want to change the extension? Yes, I do. That's fine. Voila, it is done. So now we grab this, we drag it back into our library here. I let go. Fortunately, it does not pop up into my music section, which I'm looking at now. So if I go to my ringtone section, yay, there it is. It's even got the beautiful artwork. Not that anyone's ever going to see that, but it doesn't matter. It matters to me. So if I play that now, I should hear my ringtone. Magnificent. Anyway, there you have it. The other thing you can do that people seem to miss out is on the iPhone, you can go into your contacts and you can assign different ringtones for different contacts. So this is what I've done with the whole selection I've made here, and I don't need to get up and look at my phone because I know who the hell it is ringing. So there we go. I hope this little tip was useful, and enjoy.